this piece of legislation is a bad piece of legislation. Nobody can tell me what is the answer on food production. And sorry, that's huge. The issue is huge. We talk about North Africa, we talk about migration. People are escaping because they don't feel to have a perspective in Egypt anymore, in Tunisia anymore.
For anyone that has read the actual proposal, it is clear that nowhere in the proposal does the Commission mention that agricultural production needs to stop in the areas where restoration will take place. And on the other hand, I think that there are certain restoration practices that will boost agricultural production. So these types of narratives and these types of arguments are first and foremost not based on the content of the law itself.